Group work. Look at the map in Activity E in your textbook. Point at different districts on the map. Do you know how far each district is from Dhaka?
Read the question and find the correct place on the map. Click on the place for answers.
Which place has the longest natural sea beach? Cox's Bazar. Where do the Royal Bengal tigers live? Sundarbans. Which place has lots of tea gardens? Sylhet. Which place is famous for mangoes? Rajshahi. Where is Mujibnagar National Memorial? In Meherpur. Write in your exercise book the paragraph your teacher dictates. The paragraph is about cricket in Bangladesh. Language focus. Exclamation mark. We use exclamation marks to show strong feelings. That's great. Thank you so much. To show surprise. Wow. Oh. After strong commands. Stop that. Don't touch that.
Watch and read.
Hurrah! We won the competition. Congratulations, you won.
Oh, what have you done? Clean up the mess immediately. Remember, some sentences or words express strong feelings. We use exclamation mark at the end of such words or sentences.
Correct the sentences. Rewrite them correctly using cursive handwriting. Add capital letters and exclamation marks.
Review your answers. Well done. It was a fantastic game. Oh no, I can't find my homework. Help me. You can't do that. Let's go.
Rewrite the sentences correctly using cursive handwriting. Do
language focus. Exclamation mark.
Watch. Correct.
Review. Well done. It was a
Rewrite the sentences correctly using cursive handwriting. Do activity I in your exercise book.